गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक माय चैनल मैजिक ईटर्स। दोस्तों कैसा है, उम्मीद है आप लोग सभी अच्छी होंगी। अभी आज के वीडियो में हम लोग हाउ कैन आई मेक द $1000 पर डे, ऑनलाइन में हम लोग को इसमें कमाने का बहुत मौका है। अभी यूट्यूब का दुनिया है, यूट्यूब से हम लोग का मॉडर्न ब्लॉगिंग करके आप लोग का बहुत कुछ कमा सकते हैं। ये सीखने का ये फुल कोर्स आप लोग एक सीरीज से बना रहा है आप लोग के लिए। ये फ्री में ये आप लोग कम इसमें से सीख सकते हैं। आप लोग को ये वीडियो पूरा अच्छा तरफ ध्यान से देखे, एक बार समझ में नहीं आएगा तो दूसरे बार और एक बार देखेगा तो आप लोग को लास्ट में समझ में आएगा। ये बिल्कुल फ्री में हम लोग ये कोर्स दे रहे हैं। आप लोग के हर जगह में ये सीरीज़ के लिए आप लोग को इससे सीखने के लिए आप लोग को बहुत पैसा खर्चा करना पड़ता है, लेकिन इधर ही आप लोग से मैं एक ही तोहफ़ा मांग रहे। आप लोग का ये वीडियो को एक लाइक कर देना और आप लोग का दिल में क्या होता है उसमें कमेंट कर देना। उसी के बाद ये बेल आइकन का दबा कर रखिएगा तो ऐसा वाला ये नॉलेज वाला वीडियो डालने का टाइम उसका नोटिफिकेशन आपके पास सबसे पहले पहुंचे। चैनल का एक बार सब्सक्राइब करके रखो। थैंक यू सो मच।
Starting a successful vlog. A successful vlog will require a bit of planning. Sure, you can just go out there with your smartphone and start recording footage about your passion. But it is better to take some time to think about the type of content that you want to share with people and where you will share it. What is the purpose of your vlog? It is a good idea to define the purpose of your vlog. It is not a good idea to spend 6 months doing this. So think about your vlog as a way for you to communicate with your target audience. What is the overall message that you want to portray here? Here are some examples. I will take you to travel destinations that you won't believe. I will show you how to easily make money online from home. I will show you how to look beautiful every day on a budget. I will bring you all the latest news and fan reaction for. Do you get the idea? Good. You want to make your vlog stand out from the rest. Take a look at some of the existing vlogs out there that have a large subscriber base for inspiration. Just don't spend too long on this. Decide on your vlogging style. When you are starting out with vlogging, it is best to do what you are comfortable with. You will need to show your face on camera. There is no getting around this. Viewers will not be impressed that they never see you in the videos. It will help to drive engagement. There are different types of vloggers. Some will want to include their partner, their children, their friends, their pets, etc. in their vlogs. A lot of vloggers will shoot footage when they are outside doing something. Others will use their home or office for their vlogging. Are you going to shoot all the footage yourself, or will someone else help you? If you're going to shoot the footage yourself and want to do this outside while you are walking around, then you can use specific tools to do this. Are you naturally funny? If so, then always inject as much humor as you can into your vlog. Think about other ways that you can keep viewers entertained. Making mistakes with vlogging is great because you can show the outtakes of when things went wrong. So think about the style you will use for your vlog. How can you make your personality really shine through and keep people engaged and wanting more videos from you? What are other vloggers doing? If there is competition for your vlogging niche, then go and check out what your competitors are doing. Take some time out to watch their videos and see what they do. Start with the most popular vlogs and work your way down. Here are some things to look out for. What are the subjects of their videos? Which of their videos are the most popular and why? What is the average length of their videos? What engagement techniques do they use? Do they have sponsors or recommend affiliate products? How often do they upload new videos? What does their channel look like? What effects do they use in their videos, if any? If your time is limited, then just study the top vloggers in your niche. Search for these vlogs in YouTube and then choose those with the highest number of subscribers and video views. This will be time very well spent and should give you lots of good ideas. Identify and know your audience. What kind of audience are you looking for? Is your vlog going to be for people that want to travel to exciting destinations across the world? Or learn how to make money online? Or learn how to look beautiful using budget makeup? Find out as much about your audience as you can. What do they really want to know? What are the common questions that they have? What blogs or vlogs do they visit now? What age range are they? What vlog brand will you use? You need a name for your vlog and channel. You could use your own name for this, and many people have been successful doing this. Or you can choose a specific name for your vlog which reflects what it's about. Here are some examples that we came up with. Some of these may actually exist, so check first. Beautiful You, a makeup vlog. Exotic Destinations, a travel vlog. Sports Team Fan Zone, a sports team vlog. Online Income, a make money online vlog. all about dogs, a dog vlog. So it is time for you to get a little creative. Think ahead when you are brainstorming vlog name ideas. With a successful vlog, you can create and sell your own merchandise, so a catchy name will certainly help here. Why you must launch your vlog on YouTube. Here are some compelling reasons why you should set up your vlog on YouTube. There are more than 1 billion users on YouTube. Every day, YouTube gets 4 billion video views. Yes, 4 billion. You can succeed in any niche on YouTube. Mobile devices account for 1 billion views per day. Is that exciting enough for you? Look, people love to watch videos on all kinds of different subjects. They will use YouTube as a search engine to find what they want. It is the second largest search engine in the world after Google. If your channel provides what those searchers are looking for, then you will get views. You can then tell your viewers to go and visit your website or Facebook page, etc., for more cool stuff. Give them a good incentive to join your email list, and they will do it. Yes, there are other video sites such as Dailymotion and Vimeo. These sites get a pretty good amount of traffic, but they are miles away from YouTube. If anyone tells you that YouTube is saturated, then just ignore them. It is the only way to go for your vlog. Create channel art and your YouTube channel. A YouTube channel without channel art does not create a good impression. So spend time designing and creating appropriate channel art for your vlog. If graphic design is not your thing, then go to Fiverr.com and find someone that is good at it. Tell them what your channel will be about and give them your ideas for the channel art design. It will only cost you a few bucks to have a great looking channel art created. This is well worth it. You will also need a small image for your channel icon. This is the logo for your vlog. Once you have settled on this, you can add it to all your videos and on your merchandise going forward. If you don't already have a YouTube account, then you will need to create a free Google account at https://www.google.com. This is very easy to do and will take you less than 5 minutes. With your Google account set up, head over to youtube.com and log in with your Google account. Then go to https://www.youtube.com/create_channel and create your vlog channel using your brand name. After setting up your channel, we highly recommend that you create a custom URL for your channel. To do this, your YouTube account needs to be more than 30 days old, and you will need at least 100 channel subscribers. You will also need a photo of yourself and channel art loaded. Once you are at this point, go to https://support.google.com/answer/2657968?H1 for precise instructions on how to create your custom channel URL. This is really worth doing. Plan the content you will create. Okay, so your channel is all set up to go, and the next step is to upload some videos. Take a look at other successful vlogs for inspiration here. How did they start? Think about adding elements to your videos that you will include all the time. For some of this will be a look at the comments. For others, this is a recap. If people like these recognizable segments, they will come back for more and are very likely to subscribe. Plan out the first few weeks of video creation and then schedule these. Committing these to a schedule will help to motivate you. Remember that consistency is the secret to a successful vlog. Ideas for profitable vlogs. Sometimes it can be tough to come up with that winning idea for a vlog that will make you a healthy profit. So, to help you, we have some great ideas for you in this video. We hope that you find an idea here that you can run with. Video games. Are you someone that enjoys playing video games a lot? There are so many people that play video games these days, and there is always room for another great vlog on the subject. New games appear all the time, and with the rise in popularity of Amazon's Twitch TV, there is so much scope for you to create quality videos. The secret to a successful video game vlog is providing the gaming community with what they want. If they enjoy the videos you create, then they will spread the word for you and your vlog will grow exponentially. Here are some ideas for videos you can create. You playing a specific game and cracking a level or beating a boss, monster, etc. A live stream about a particular game. A review of a game, old or new. Your top 10 video games. Create a game walkthrough. Provide gaming news videos. Tutorials or how-tos. A lot of people search YouTube to find out how to do something. So do you have a particular set of skills, or are you an expert in a particular subject? If so, then a series of how-to videos would be a great vlogging idea for you. People are always using the internet to ask questions, and videos are far and away the most popular medium that people choose to get the answers that they need. There are just endless opportunities for how-to video tutorials. You can definitely promote affiliate products or sell your own products on the back of a vlog like this. Here are some ideas for you. How to build something, how to make money online, life skills, personal development skills, how to get a girlfriend or boyfriend and subsequent relationship advice, learn a new language, how to get that new job and keep it, how to make money in stocks, foreign exchange, etc. Computers and tech. Do you like computers and tech gadgets? Are you an expert on mobile devices? There are so many people that just love computers and tech and would be delighted to find out what is coming next, etc. The world of technology changes all of the time, so you will never run out of ideas for videos. Here are some good ideas. Useful apps for your smartphone. The best laptops. How to use popular software such as Microsoft Office. New technology reviews. Tech product comparisons. Computer hacks and little-known shortcuts. Create your own website. Registering a domain name. How to make your computer faster. How to fix common computer problems. Weight loss and fitness. Do you have knowledge about how to lose weight and keep it off? Are you a fitness expert? The demand for how-to videos in this area is huge, and the subject is so vast that you should never run out of new ideas for videos. Here are some ideas to think about. Weight loss tips. Compare popular diets, in other words, paleo, keto, etc. Healthy eating recipes. How to avoid food and beverages that will make you gain weight. Exercising for beginners. How to do an exercise properly, in other words, push-ups. How to get fit and ripped without going to the gym. The benefits of yoga. Specific yoga exercises. Personal development. This is another huge subject. People always want to improve their lives, and if you have the knowledge to help them do this, then it can open all kinds of doors for you. Here are some great ideas for videos. X ways to be more confident. How to overcome your fears. How to break through your comfort zone. How to set goals and achieve them. How to increase your self-esteem. How to be a great conversationalist. How to persuade people to do anything. How to use NLP to change your life. How to stop living in the past. Travel. Do you like traveling? Have you been or plan to go to on an adventure across the world? Can you provide recommendations for the best things to do in popular countries and cities? Do you want to spend your life traveling the world and enjoying new experiences? So many other people do as well. It is true that there are already a lot of travel vlogs out there, but there's always room for more. Just do something different to the rest. Here are some ideas for you. Cool places you won't have visited. The Insider Guide to a Popular Tourist Attraction. Finding those isolated beaches. How to survive in location. The top 10 places you must visit. The best way to pack a suitcase. Traveling on a budget. Music. Are you a musician? Can you teach people how to play an instrument or how to sing properly? Do you know a lot about retro music? Music is huge on YouTube, and good how-to videos are always popular. Here are some ideas for you. How to play the guitar. How to play drums. How to sing. How to fix a broken instrument. The best guitars or whatever instrument available. How to read and write music. Famous song covers. How to write great lyrics. The best bands of genre, decade, etc. How to use an audio editor to mix music. Music equipment reviews. Pets. Some of the most popular videos on YouTube are about pets. Everyone has seen a funny cat video or a dog doing special tricks. There are many animal lovers in the world, and they can't get enough content about pets. Here are some great video ideas. How to take care of your pet. Cat, dog, guinea pig, horse, etc. How to train your dog. There's so many possibilities here. How to teach your cat or dog to do tricks. The best clothes for your cat or dog. The best names for your new pet. The best accessories for your new pet. How to groom your pet. Exotic pets. Traveling with your pet. The best food for your pet. Beauty. Are you someone that knows how to apply makeup correctly? Are you in touch with all the latest fashions? Can you provide tips and advice for smoother and healthier skin? This market is massive, and the demand for information will always be there. Here are some great video ideas. Different makeup tutorials. How to make your skin look younger. How to take care of your hair. The best outfits for the larger person. The latest fashion accessories you must have. How to choose the perfect outfit for the occasion. The best shoes for women. The latest fashion trends. How to look stunning on a budget. Manicure and pedicure tutorials. cooking, recipes, and food. Can you teach people how to cook? Can you show them how to create great tasting meals? Do you have great recipes to share? Do you know the best restaurants? Can you tell people what to eat when they visit specific countries or cities? Food is a huge subject and always in demand. Here are some awesome video ideas for you. How to cook, whatever it is. Eating well on a budget. The best dishes in? The top 10 restaurants in. How to make healthy snacks. The best foods for losing weight. Exotic cooking. Recipes for dishes you have never heard of. The must-have kitchen accessories. How to prepare food properly. How to bake perfect cakes. Meals that will delight your family. What to eat when you are visiting. We hope that you find these ideas inspiring. Creating a vlog that contains how-to videos is a great way to go, and you will be able to monetize in a number of different ways. This is not an exhaustive list by any means, so have a good look at what you know and develop a plan for your vlog.